Hey guys.
William, you enjoying yourself?
Excuse me.
Oh, is that fine? Hi. 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 Hello. Hello. Hello, guys. Are you in a hammock? Are you in a hammock? Are you in a hammock? You take photos too with that. Takes pretty good photos. Wooga wooga wooga! Wooga wooga wooga!
I think I took a bunch. He's looking at the trees.
What's up?
What time did we go to bed last night?
3. Bad parents.
How did that happen?
We didn't know what time it was. We decided not to check the clock and then just get into conversations about life.
How about these guys?
Yeah.
And a couple pool games.
But I won all 3 up.
I told you. I was bad.
You are bad. Bad girl.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Is your daddy being a pervert?
Yeah.
Your daddy being pervy.
Whoa.
William, why? She thinks it's great. You have to go back in your chair. Can you not handle the fun?
That's it. You're out. Layla gets it all to herself, the princess. He just doesn't like sitting on his back, lying on his back. Like, look, now he's fine.
You don't like being on your back, buddy? Do you want to go the swing? Do you want to try the swing? Should we try the swing?
I need to go white then. Go like sappy.
Sappy?
Yeah.
Layla is loving this hammock situation. We should have registered for a swing.
What?
In hindsight, we should have registered for a swing.
What do you mean register
A swing, one of those swing things.
Oh.
They seem to really like it. All right, bud. You're not in a car seat, don't worry.
A little young, but
Oh, buddy.
ruining the fun, eh? Not sure if 4 months are supposed to be in this, but it seems to be working just fine.
What do you think?
Do you like it? Do you like it?
I think he kind of likes it.
Oh. 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 You like it? Is that fun? Your eyes are kind of crazy. Color.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty intense. Yeah. Yeah.
This is pretty cute. Let's go check on his sister. Nyla, how are you doing over there? Relaxing? Yeah, it's nice here, isn't it? This is the favorite time of day at the cottage.
What's that?
This is my favorite time of day at the cottage.
You almost done? You almost done? All right. He doesn't like the straps, like he can't get to his hands. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Look at me! Super baby!
She just sneezed. Why don't you get in with them? You want to get in with Layla? I'll put him in his seat. Stupid mole thing. Who's that? How'd you get there? How did William get here? I'm just blowing your mind, buddy? Is this blowing your mind? Your chin is just soaked. Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah? You dancing to David Bowie? You are? Okay, let's sign it off. Because it's wine.
Bye-bye.
It's wine o'clock.
Yeah, it's beer o'clock for Daddy.
Wine o'clock for Mommy.
Oh.
Bye, family.
Say bye-bye.
Bye, family, for now.